Drones! The drones are coming! I'm Haley and I'm head of community here at Pitch Black. How you going, mate? Join me and Ryan as we go to cool startup events every week. We meet cool people, we learn things, we have a good time, we laugh a lot, we're really weird, and also we're late most of the time.
We're a little bit late. Officially late now?
Yes. We're already late!
We were supposed to be there 6 minutes ago and we're about to leave.
We're late again, so come on the journey. We're really lucky to be here in Melbourne, where there's always cool events happening, and this week it was Melbourne Knowledge Week. Woo. So Ryan and I ventured out to locations all over the city and attended 4 completely different events. That looks nice. Did I scare you? That was my attempt at a Borat voice. 22 minutes to get there, 23 minutes to walk. We're late again. That's our thing. That's where the views are coming from, because we're late. Now we gotta go through Fitzroy Gardens.
I like your trees.
My trees? These are my trees. I own them. I take care of them. I love them. This is Barry. He's a big boy. He's a good boy. See you later, pal. The dragon. Aw. Oh, I wish we had more time. I'm so sad.
Oh, we're already late.
We're already late. Let's go. I hate running. We've got 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
That wasn't good on all.
We're like so close, but so far away. Back to 3 minutes. It's going well. I'm calm. I'm very calm. I'm so scared. They're to dance on. Do you smell the weed? I do. We're so late. Can we go? Haley? Yeah, great. Excellent. At the first event, teaching kids empathy through digital art, I was bummed because we didn't actually learn any specific concepts of using digital art to increase empathy, but we were able to learn about specific projects the artist runs with kids to teach these skills. Or challenge us to do differently or say differently with children?
Good question.
Do you want a cookie? Do you want me to feed you?
Just an extent.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping.
Confused puppy dog.
And we're back. We just came from art play.
Cool or lame?
It was cool. Like, she was doing a lot of cool things. She was talking about the work that she's done, but not a lot about the lessons that she learned. I'm glad we went.
Did we get more knowledge?
We got more knowledge thanks to
Melbourne
Knowledge Week.
Week.
Woo! I wanted chocolate. Thanks so much for watching. You can find last week's video somewhere in this area. Say thanks to Ryan. Thanks, Ryan.
You're welcome.
He's our editor of this vlog. And we'll catch you next week. See you then.